Hi friends, in this video you will learn about another malware, which name is adware. Also known as advertisement-supported software, generates revenue for its developers by automatically generating adverts on your screen, usually within a web browser. Adware is typically created for computers but can also be found on mobile devices. Some forms of adware are highly manipulative and create an open door for malicious programs. Adware in cybersecurity refers to a type of malware that displays unwanted advertisements on your computer or device. Adware is commonly activated unknowingly when users are trying to install legitimate applications that adware is bundled with. Detect adware in cybersecurity. The most common way to recognize adware is the appearance of pop-up advertisements and applications that you are unfamiliar with, and on browsers where they had not been displayed before. In some cases, adware attacks can also cause changes to your browser. Below are a few things to look out for: lagging performance and eventual crashing, unrequested changes to your browser homepages, appearance of new extensions and toolbars, web pages not displaying properly, unwanted software installing. How does adware work? Adware works by installing itself quietly onto your devices, hoping you'll, accidentally or otherwise, click on an advert that it displays to you. This is because ultimately, adware exists to make money. Adware creators and distributing vendors make money from third parties via either PPC, mean pay-per-click, they get paid each time you open an ad, and PPV, pay-per-view, they get paid each time an ad is shown to you. PPI, pay-per-install, they get paid each time bundled software is installed on a device. Adware can also track your search and browsing history to display ads that are more relevant to you. Once the developer has your location and browser history, they can make additional income by selling that information to third parties. At the less harmful end of the spectrum, adware is simply a nuisance. At the more harmful end, it can be a damaging malware threat to your cybersecurity. Let's see, what does adware do to your computer? Here are some of the most common effects that adware can have on your device. Infinite pop-ups. Usually adware results in an endless stream of ads that pop up all at once. Sometimes, closing one ad-infected window simply causes another one to open up. Like a bad game of whack-a-mole. Spying. Spying adware works like spyware, tracking your activities both online and off to figure out what kind of advertisements it should show you. Man-in-the-middle attacks. Some adware, like Superfish, operates by redirecting your traffic through their system so they can display advertisements. This kind of man-in-the-middle attack can even occur over protected connections. Slowing down your device. Loading and running advertisements draws processing power away from what you want to do, which slows down your device's performance. Eating up your data. Downloading advertisements consumes your monthly mobile data allowance, just like loading photos or videos. Check your data usage carefully if you think you have adware on your Android or iOS device. How to tell if your device is infected with adware. The most common sign that your device is infected with adware is the endless pop-ups, ads, and banner offers that inundate your browser. A free program you knowingly installed on your device may also display regular pop-ups, toasters, and special offers, but true adware is hard to miss. Here are some other telltale signs that your device is infected with adware. Your browser has slowed to a crawl. Your homepage is different even though you didn't change it. Multiple extensions have been added to your browser without permission. Normal sites you visit are flooded with pop-ups. You're being redirected constantly while browsing the web. Your operating system, browser, and other programs are crashing constantly. The battery on your device is draining much faster. Loading times for apps and browser pages are significantly slower.